Hi. How are you? Good, thanks.
So what do you want this?
Oh no! Bastards. I got this TV, I ordered it about 2 weeks ago and it just came in today. The plan with this TV was to get it on some kind of bench console, something that would have wheels. Now, that situation, I don't really like it. Same thing on this side. That's not gonna work really, but there's something else that's pretty cool. Hang tight. Yo.
Sup?
Yo, this is so sick.
What?
Ready?
Oh, unreal.
So this is pretty much why I got this TV and why I wanted it on wheels. So I can roll it around anywhere I want into this place. And the way I see this and the way I want to use this is pretty much as a monitor for my cameras. Whoa, look at this. So the last video I recorded was a mashed potato recipe, originally for Canadian Thanksgiving. We've got one bay leaf, we've got one shallot, but it was also my first time filming a video in this kitchen studio. It was definitely big learning experience. I figured out the lighting situation. Check out these lights, check out these lights. Check them out. The acoustics were a little different, a little off, a lot of echo. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. I haven't made a lot of videos, but I've been cooking a lot. And one of my favorite dishes of all time is ramen. I've been experimenting with this ramen recipe. I've made about 4 different batches of miso ramen. So this thing is normally full. This is the miso paste that I made and it's pretty much done. We're gonna be making more of this stuff. just wrapped up the photo shoot of the miso ramen. It looks fantastic and it is super, super delicious. I've been tinkering with recipes for almost a month now, really trying to nail it, perfect it, and work on different techniques just to bring out and maximize flavors and bring out some of the richness that sometimes is hard to find in vegetarian or vegan broths. And I think I've nailed it with this one, and I really want you guys to try it. The thing is, this recipe is pretty laborious, it takes a bit of time, and it's not the easiest recipe to make. So instead of making a how-to or a cooking video on how to make this, I really wanted to take the time in this video to actually offer it to you guys. Through this pandemic, it's always nice to have meals cooked for you. So for the first time on my channel, giving away some stuff, giving away some ramen kits. So how this is gonna work, if you've made it this far into the video, thank you for watching, I really appreciate that. Unfortunately, the giveaway only applies to people who live in the greater Vancouver area because I'm gonna be hand delivering the ramen kits to you guys. Comment down below and say, I want ramen, please, exclamation mark. On Monday, December 7th, I'm gonna take all the people who have commented down below, put them in a random draw, and then we will announce the winners somehow, and I will contact you directly. We'll coordinate somehow. Maybe this is something that I can make and sell for you guys. Who knows? We'll get there when we get there, but for right now, it's a great way for me to share my food. I think you guys will like it. Yes, good stuff. Okay, thanks guys. I will see you in the next video. Oh, I'm pretty pumped. This is exciting. Giveaway. First time giving away food. You get a ramen, you get a ramen, we all get a ramen.